Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. Sometimes you need your social security number fast. Maybe you're filling out a form or applying for something important while away from home. You've already added your SSN to Cash App, so now you want to find it from the app. In this video, I will walk you through the exact steps to locate your SSN on Cash App so you're always prepared. When we verify our Cash App account, it asks for the social security number, but you might have noticed that it only asks for the last 4 digits of your SSN. This is used to fetch your data and confirm whether your information is accurate or not. Your full social security number, or SSN, is not stored anywhere in Cash App where you can retrieve it. When we go to the Cash App homepage and tap the profile icon, a list opens up. From there, we click on Security and Privacy. After that, we select the identity verification, and your identity is verified through your personal information. At this stage, Cash App asks for the last 4 digits of your social security number, and you tap Next. Once you do that, Cash App automatically detects first 3 digits and the middle 2 digits. These are the area code and the group code of your SSN. You only need to enter the last 4 digits manually. Then, Cash App fetches your information. If it's correct, your identity is successfully verified. So, your full social security number is not stored in Cash App, meaning you cannot extract it from the app. Most videos on YouTube will misguide you on this topic. In reality, due to security reasons, Cash App doesn't even show the last 4 digits of your SSN to anyone. When you enter your SSN in the app, it only appears in the form of asterisks. Oh, that's why it's not possible to retrieve your SSN from Cash App.